Hello friends, today we are going to solve the chemistry's question paper of March 2022 that is done today only. Friends, I have the paper set number 12 and here are the answer key of this paper. Let's go for it. Some questions are here. For example, first question is the color of K2MnO4 is green, friends. I have mentioned both things are here. One is option C. Options may be not equal in all seats, but you can get the answer also. So you can match with your paper set and you will get your correct answer. So K2MnO4 has the color green. Option C is correct. Second question is for trans primary and secondary valency. The valency of primary valency is of cobalt is 3 and secondary valency is 6. The third question is given the PtCl2En twice. The two type of isomerisms we can get it in it, and they are geometrical and optical. Both isomerism we find in it. The option D is C is correct. Next question, friend, is which is the correct relation for high spin complex? This is once again from Friends crystal field theory question in which the option A is correct. Delta 0 is less than P. Fifth question is, friends, the compound of halide asked. The answer is allylic halide. Sixth question in which the Woods reaction is asked, and Woods reaction, friends, is applicable for the C2H5Cl and C6H5Cl. Option C is correct. Next question 7 in which chiral carbon is asked in pentane 2,3,4 triol. The correct answer is D, 2 chiral carbon we can get. Next question, how many sigma and pi bonds are present in DDT? If you draw the structure of DDT, you will get total 29 sigma bonds and 6 pi bonds present in DDT. 3 bonds in benzene, each benzene 3 pi bonds. So 2 benzene are present, that's why 6 pi bonds are there. In ninth question, it is asked reduction of which compound gives 2-degree alcohol. The option is very simple, acetone, which when acetone is reduced, when friends, we will get the 2-degree alcohol. Next question, 10th, in which question is asked which product is obtained by oxidation of phenol with chromic acid CrO2O3. Friends, the option, the question answer we can get is option B, benzophenone is the answer. Next question number 11. Under identical condition, which is the highest boiling point? Friends, primary alcohol has the highest boiling point, and here primary alcohol is given butane 1-ol. One more primary alcohol is there, that is propane 1-ol, but propane has 3 carbon, butane has 4 carbon. So obviously butane 1-ol is the correct answer. In 12th question, the simple question asked, that is cinnamaldehyde structure. Option A is correct, benzene, CH double bond CH and CHO. 13th question, lowest value of pK is asked, friends, and lowest value of pK is of benzoic acid, and that is option C, C6H5OCOH. In 14th question, friends, Hoffman reactions product are asked. In Hoffman reaction, we get the amine from the amide, but 1 carbon less. So friends, our question is propanamine. Propanamine can be obtained by the reaction of 4 carbon. So 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon option D is correct, friends. Question number 15, Hinsberg reagent, friends, does not react with the tertiary amine, but it reacts with primary and secondary amine. Here in options, first option is methenamine, second option is dimethylamine. Both are primary and secondary. So A and B, both options are correct. Question number 16, in which, friends, the simple question asks Gattermann reactions catalyst are copper and HX. Option A is correct. Question number 17, aniline when react with nitric acid and sulfuric acid at 288 Kelvin temperature, we will obtain 51% para nitroaniline. So this is the correct answer, option C. In question number 18, which one is not polysaccharide? Friends, starch, glycogen, and cellulose all are polysaccharides. Only sucrose, friends, is a disaccharide, and that's why option B is correct. Next question is, what is the chemical name of B6 vitamin? Simple question from chapter number 14. It is given in table. Pyridoxine is the answer, option B. In question number 20, bicyclic bases are, friends, adenine. Adenine is the only bicyclic base. Adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine, all are base, but out of them, adenine has 2 cycles. Which protein? Next question. Which protein, friends, present in muscles? Myosin is the correct answer. Once again, information type question. Answer is C. Question number 22. Which polymer is used in manufacturing of conveyor or belts? Answer is neoprene, friends. Option A is correct. Question number 23. Which is biodegradable polymer, friends? Nylon 6, nylon 66, and melamine all are synthetic polymer, and they are not, friends, degradable. So only one biodegradable is nylon 2, nylon 6. Option A is correct. Question number 24. Monomer of Teflon, simple, CF2, CF2, big double bond, and option B is correct there. Next question, question number 25. Which compound has highest sweetness value? Elitane is simple answer. Information question asked here. Diamond, question number 26. Diamond is which type of solid? Once again, from chapter number 1, in table, covalent molecule types are given. So covalent is present, friends, in covalent bond is present in diamond. So option B is correct. Question number 27. Which ferromagnetic substance? Once again, from chapter number 1, CrO2 is the example of ferromagnetic substance. Question number 28, friends. Which impurity is not added to prepare p-type conductor? For p-type conductor, friends, we have to add the group 13 elements. Boron, aluminium, and gallium are there. Only arsenic, you can see, is not group 13 element. So arsenic is the answer, option B. Question number 29. Which compound shows Frankel and Schottky both defect? This question is asked in board many times. Once again, answer is AgBr. Option C is correct. Question number 30, friends. What will be the molarity of 10% W aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide? Question. If you calculate, you will get the answer 2.78 molar, and that is option A in my paper set. Next question number 31, friends. What will be the boiling point of 1 molar urea solution in K unit? K unit is Kelvin. In Kelvin, friends, 373.67 Kelvin is the answer. You can see 2 options are given in 152, 100.52, and 105. They are not in Kelvin, so option is to be taken from Kelvin. Question number 32, friends. Question is, which mixture shows positive deviation from Laud's law? Once again, the line taken from NCERT book only. Our answer is acetone and ethanol. Option A is correct, friends. Question number 33. Under identical condition, which solution has highest osmotic pressure? You are given 1 molar, all solutions, NaCl, FeCl3, BaCl2, and glucose. We just have to ionize them. Glucose cannot be ionized. NaCl is ionized into Na plus and Cl minus. 2 ions are there. BaCl2 ionized into Ba plus 2 plus and 2 Cl minus. Total 3 ions are there. And friends, the option B, in which FeCl3 is there. When FeCl3 is ionized, Fe3 plus and C3Cl minus. Total 4 ions are there. More number of ions, more the osmotic pressure, and that's why 0.1 molar FeCl3 is the answer. Question number 34. What is the potential of hydrogen electrode with which pH is 1? pH is 1, so minus log of H plus is 1, friends. If you put in Nernst equation, you will get the answer 0.059 because log 1 is 0. Next, friends, question number 35. How much electricity in terms of Faradays is required to reduce 2 mole MnO4 minus 2 Mn2 plus? Simply, friends, MnO4 minus, in which Mn's valency is plus 7. In Mn2 plus, Mn's valency is plus 2. So plus 7 to plus 2, that is decreased by 5. So 5 is the 5 number of electron and 2 mole, that's why 2 into 5. So answer is 10. So C option, answer is 10. Question number 36. On which of the following factor electronic conductance does not depend? The simple question given in NCERT, in which pressure is the answer. So pressure is not affecting that. Next question number 37. Which is the unit of rate constant for second order reaction? Once again, friends, in chapter number 4, chemical kinetics, in table, this is given. The answer is mole inverse, liter into second inverse. 38 question number. What is the slope of graph ln k versus 1 upon t? Simple question in which answer is minus EA upon R, taken from the chapter number 4 figure of the derivation of the reactions. 39 question number. Which is incorrect statement for physical adsorption? If you read the properties of physical adsorption, you will get it result into unimolecular layer is the correct answer. D. 40 question number 40. CO plus H2 gives CH3OH. You have to write the what is the X. X is a catalyst. It is question from selective catalyst selectivity. The answer is copper and ZnO2 Cr2O3 present. Question number 41, friends. You can see which is the negatively charged salt As2S3 taken from chapter number 5. In table it is given. Which is 42? Which is dispersed phase and dispersion medium in fog collide respectively? Answer is liquid and gas. Option B is correct. Once again, information question is there. Question number 43. Which is ore of iron? In chapter number 6, table number 6.1, you can get siderite is the correct answer, is the ore of iron. Question number 44. Which metal is not defined by zone defining, friends? Germanium, gallium, and silicon can be there. Stannous, tin is not there. Sn, option D is the correct one. Next, 45 number. Which compound has highest basicity? Graph basicity order is given in chapter number 7. P block element, group number 15. NH3 is the highest, and down the group the basicity decreases. That's why NH3 is the answer. Question number 46. Which compound has pyramidal geometry? Option C, XeO3, xenon oxide, trioxide is the answer. Chapter number 7, second last page, answer is given. Okay, question number 47. Correct formula of mustard gas: Cl, Cl2, Cl2, is the answer. Option number B is correct. 48. Which is used for bleaching of floor? Answer is ozone. Chapter number 7, ozone's preparation, properties, and uses are given. In ozone's uses, this is given. It is used as a bleaching of floor. Question number 49. Which of the following compound has highest magnetic momentum? Magnetic momentum, you have to find the unpaired number of electrons. You will get in manganese sulfate, MnSO4, you will get the Mn2 plus, and Mn2 plus has the electronic configuration argon 3d5 and 4s0. In 3d5, all 5 electrons are unpaired, and that's why its magnetic momentum is highest. Last question, in which is transition element, trends? Zinc, mercury, cadmium, and copper. Zinc, mercury, and cadmium are not to be considered as transition metal because, friends, they are not following the definition of transition metal. As per definition of transition metal, the element must have d orbital incomplete either in its stable state or any of the ground state electronic configuration. All these three, zinc, cadmium, and mercury, have on 3d, 4d, and 5d orbitals completely filled. In both conditions, they are +2 oxidation state and ground state. But friends, copper in its stable oxidation state Cu2 plus, it has d orbital incomplete, and that's why copper is to be considered as transition metal. And friends, this is over from here. If you like this answer, please subscribe my channel, and you will get more information about chemistry and science subjects. Thank you, friends.